Let's listen to your fantastic, elastic brain. Stretch it, shape it. Written by Joanne Deek, PhD. Illustrated by Sarah Ackerley. Fantastic, elastic brain. What does your brain really do? Does it fill the shape between your ears? Hello in there. All I see is pink stuff. Well, yes, but your brain can do so much more. Your brain helps you think and remember. Good kitty, thinking. And name what you see and what you hear. It lets you move your body and feel both touch and emotions. Your brain does all the things that make you you. Likes red foods, favorite word is elbow, ping pong champ. She's so unique. Knows global landmarks, good at science. Enjoys reading pirate books. My favorite word is foot. That's what the mouse says. So what is your brain? Is it a muscle? No. The brain is an organ in your body. It's made up of cells and tissues. The brain controls everything you do, everything you think, and everything you feel, and even everything you dream. Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to Planet Organ. Hey, I had that same dream. The brain has many parts that do all different kinds of jobs. The cerebrum, the hippocampus, prefrontal corpus, amygdala, cerebellum. Whoa, that pink stuff is busy. It sure is. I think, therefore I am. That's deep. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of your brain. It helps you think and speak. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is a small part at the back of your brain that helps your muscles coordinate your movement and your balance so that you can walk, ride a bike, or play tag. Prefrontal cortex is the part of your brain behind your forehead. Oh, it's right here. It lets you make and plan decisions. Hippocampus is at the center of your brain. It works like a filing cabinet to help you find and store memories. Amygdala. The amygdala is a tightly packed group of cells deep within the center of the brain that controls your emotions. Excited, angry, embarrassed, frightened, sad, happy. Neurons. Neurons are everywhere in your brain. They're tiny brain cells that make electrical signals to send messages to other cells in your body, telling them what to do. When you were born, you were very little, and your brain was small and not so strong. As you get older, your body grows and gets stronger. As a part of your body, your brain grows and learns to do new things. And you can make your brain do even more. Your brain grows fast during your first 10 years of life. That's all of you. This is the magic decade when you can help your brain go faster and more powerful. Just like lifting weights helps your muscles get stronger. Learning new things strengthens your brain. You can give your brain a good workout by trying to learn many different things. Like elastic bands that stretch when you pull them, and even things that are hard at first or that you don't like to do get easier. Even when you make a mistake while you're learning something new, you are still training your brain. You will remember that mistake and try something else until you get it. Making mistakes is one of the best ways that your brain learns and grows. If you aren't willing to risk being wrong, you won't take that chance that stretches your elastic brain. You can stretch the part of your brain that controls feelings too. If you're frightened about taking a risk, like learning to swim, or finding the courage to put your face in, your face in the water, stretches your amygdala, and it will remind you that you can overcome things that you're scared of. So next time you will be braver when something scares you, like diving in the water. How does the brain stretch and grow? Learning something new causes the brain to grow more connections amongst your neurons. With more connections, the neurons can send and receive more messages. These connections help to stretch a part of your brain and make it more elastic so that it can hold more information and ideas. When you learn something new, you're building on what you already learned. In the same way that the muscles in your body work together when you want to lift a heavy object or kick a ball, the different parts of your brain work together when you're learning something new. The brain that makes you, is really an amazing organ. It controls what you think, feel, do, and remember. Your brain is growing very fast. And now that we know that you can help it grow, when you try hard to learn something new, connections grow from neurons and attach to other neurons. Then your brain can send messages faster, making that part of your brain bigger and stronger. Making mistakes really helps you learn because your brain keeps trying new things and stretching until you figure out the answer to your problem. You are shaping a more elastic brain when you learn new things that build on what you already know. The more different kinds of things you learn and think about, the more you can learn, know, and enjoy. The harder you try without giving up, the more you will learn. You really can train your brain to be fit and strong and keep stretching and growing throughout your whole life. Wow. We just learned a lot about our fantastic elastic brains. Let's try it out and see what we can practice or what we can keep trying at to grow our brains even more.